Users will now have the possibility to move the entry positions of any toolpath with closed passes. There are a few toolpaths that already have the option to specify ideal entry points within the Linking tab, but there are many others that don't give users this possibility. Also, in some cases it's preferable to visualize which entry points need to be moved and then proceed to edit them, rather than trying to imagine how the toolpath will look like. That's why this is now available as a toolpath modification. There are several reasons why you may want to edit the point where your tool engages the part. For example, it's quite common for tools to leave a small mark on the part by the entry and exit positions. Moving these points, and therefore the marks, to a place where they're less important could be a beneficial choice. In addition, moving the entry positions of your toolpath towards areas where there isn't a big amount of excess stock left can make a massive difference on tool life by reducing shock loading. Lastly, in toolpaths that machine undercut regions, it may be beneficial to move the entry positions to an area where the tool has safer and easier access to the overhangs. Let's now see how to use this option using the part on my screen. First, let's select a calculated toolpath. We can now choose Move Entry Positions under the Modify section of the ribbon. As you can see, the menu is quite simple. All you need to do is sketch a line, or multiple lines, that intersect the toolpath passes where you want your new entry positions to be. You can do this on as many passes as needed. In this case, I wanted to move my entry positions away from any corners. As you can see, when I sketch my lines, Fusion 360 will provide me with a visual preview of the new start points. If I now click on OK, we can take a look at the updated toolpath and confirm that all the desired positions have been updated. One of the greatest benefits of all toolpath modifications within Fusion 360 is that your strategies will not need to be entirely regenerated. This means you'll be saving plenty of programming time, as only the leads and links impacted by the edits will have to be recomputed. As always, you can view, edit, and delete the toolpath modification by right-clicking on the respective icon in the toolpath edits history bar. Please keep in mind that, as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, you can only edit the entry positions of toolpaths that contain closed passes. Hopefully this video has helped you understand how to make the most of this new feature.